Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering how to build resilience and overcome the challenges in our career. So let's jump in. We've all had to overcome challenges in our life, but we adapted and bounced back up. So what's the secret to overcoming life's hurdles with no sweat? It's resilience, and we've all been through it one way or another. Life can throw us some serious curveballs, and work sometimes might feel like going through a minefield blindfolded. That's why I've got your back with some practical tips to equip you with the ultimate resilience toolkit. Get ready to unleash your inner strengths and conquer anything that stands in your way. To assess our career and life, we sometimes need to take a step back and look at it from the outside. How are we reacting to things? How are we seeing them? It's all in the lens we're looking through, and in our case, our mindset. If you choose to look at challenges in a negative or neutral way, you're already failing at them. Having a positive and realistic mindset is vital for building resilience and conquering challenges in both your life and your career. It helps you maintain perspective, view setbacks as opportunities for growth, and stay emotionally and mentally balanced. Let's summarize. We are learning, applying, and building our resilience to overcome challenges in our life and at work. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Cultivate a positive and realistic mindset. Believe in yourself and approach challenges with a clear head. 2. Embrace adaptability. Be open to change and explore new opportunities and options. And 3. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift and motivate you. Positive surroundings. Bonus point. Don't forget to embrace failure, practice self care, and celebrate your successes. Stay resilient. These were some steps and actions on building resilience, overcoming challenges in your career. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering effective time management, maximizing productivity, and work life balance. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.